How to add music to WhatsApp status. Start by opening WhatsApp on your device. Make sure you have the latest version of the app. Tap on the update icon at the bottom. Click on My Status at the top. Select any picture that you like from your gallery. Here, click on the music icon at the top. Now select a song you like from the list or simply search for the one that you like. After you've selected the song, tap on the arrow right next to it. Select which part of the song you want to play by dragging the slider at the bottom. Once you're done, tap on the Done icon at the top right. Once you've done editing, tap on the arrow icon at the bottom to post it. And that's it.